Let's factor the equation x squared plus 3x minus 10. And we'll use these guidelines here to help us do it. First off, we want to set up a skeleton equation. So this is the skeleton equation that we set up when we factor equations. Next, we want to add the signs in. I have a positive and a negative. It says if the last term is negative, I'll put a positive here and a negative here. So now we have our signs. At this point, we want to find the factors for the last term, that's the negative 10, that'll equal the middle term. They add up to the middle term. So let's list the factors for 10. And that's pretty much it. And the only one that has a difference of 3, difference between 2 and 5 is 3, are 2 and 5. So we want a positive 3. Let's put 5 here and 2 here. 5 and negative 2, that'll give us the 3. This is it. We've factored the equation x squared plus 3x minus 10. But we should check our work with the FOIL method. We'll multiply the first terms, the outside, the inside, and then the last. That gives us, and then we can combine these terms right here. And this is the same equation we started out with. So we did this correctly. Let's briefly find the values for x that'll make this side of the equation 0. So we have 0 equals 0, a true statement. We could say x plus 5 equals 0, so x would equal a negative 5. And then x minus 2 equals 0, so x equals a positive 2. Now if you put negative 5 in for x, you do the math, this will all add up to 0. Likewise, if you took and put 2 in for x and you did the math, this would all equal 0. So these are the correct values here for x squared plus 3x minus 10. Note that if we use the quadratic equation, we get these same numbers. This is Dr. B factoring the equation x squared plus 3x minus 10, and thanks for watching.